These guys coming through. Got the A push coming out from TSM. They're going to make a quick play out of this. They do have AKs here. They've got a tech line as well, but they're making such a play, such a push, and it's working. The brute force from KGB has taken down 2, and don't tell me, the bomb went down then. Karrigan left on 2 HP, still got the bomb plant in. 3 players left to retake, but Xyp9x just took him down with a grenade. Karrigan's gone.
That's not what you need in these tense situations at 13-13. It's a 3-on-3 as Dignitas go for the retake. They did such a good job at doing this on Cash. Can they do it again? Nico gets KGB. Kadeen is coming around the backside of them. Gets a glimpse of one. It's going to be an easy pick-up for him. As he comes through. Oh, he misses the bomb planter, but he gets him at the end. Gets him with the knife. Kadeen goes big, and that is what they needed. 14-13 to TSM.
Perfect positioning, risky as hell. He held his nerves so well then. All he had was that P250. He made his way...
Jeg ved. Hvordan planter han?
Dansekort. Hælde nu.
Gem dig, ikke dø, ikke dø.
Ind og bakkelop også. List nu.
Smukker.
På bumpen. Han dæffer!
Jeg ved.
Han dæffer dansekort!
Ja! Sådan!
Fokus nu den her runde, brækker. Jeg nitter. Vi kører 2-2. Giv mig den koldt. Vi kører 2-2, boys.
Vil du bare
Smuk
liste op,
toppen
eller
for mig.
Vil du bare liste op, eller?
Ja, list op.
2-1-2, hvad skal jeg indfinde?
Op til skik.